Miss Cassidy, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
We were married for several years, and he adopted my son from my first marriage, which meant my first husband relinquished all rights. And he doesn't want to take care of the child anymore, now that we're divorced.
Okay, sir, is there a reason you don't want to take care of your son?
Well, he's not my son.
Well, yes, he is. You adopted him.
I thought I was in love with her. I just wanted to please her.
A divorced man claims his adopted son is no longer truly his. The mother reminds the court that he signed legal documents accepting permanent parental responsibility.
So you didn't really love the child at all, your son? Because he is your son, just so we're clear. You're not going to be able to say things like, it's not my child. You adopted this child legally. This is your child.
Well, he's not blood. He's her son. He's not my blood son. He's a redhead.
What does that have to do with anything, the color of his hair?
Kids.
What does the color of his hair have to do with anything?
I just always hated redheaded kids.
Okay.
He argues about bloodline and hair color, but the judge quickly responds, explaining that biology cannot undo the legal obligations of adoption.
How did the two of you meet?
Well, I had been divorced several years, and I'm a farmer. And so
yes, he's a farmer.
Ma'am, I will give you your opportunity to speak in just a moment, okay? Go ahead, sir.
So my friends took me out to a club. I call them mammary clinics. Took me out to a mammary clinic for my birthday. And that's where I met her. And she strapped it to me. And I fell in love with her that night.
Their relationship began in a club, eventually leading to marriage and adoption. Love once motivated him, but now denial drives his defense.
And
he fell in love enough to adopt her son?
To marry her, because I thought I was in love with her.
Okay.
And so we got married, and she coaxed me into adopting her kid.
Okay, you adopted your child.
Yeah.
And you're here today because she wants you to
pay child support.
Pay child support and take care of your child.
He's more of a ballerina than he is a boy.
What do you mean by a ballerina?
I don't want that kid. He's.
Sir, you adopted this child.
Well, let his own father adopt him back.
Wait a minute.
He calls the boy not real, but the judge immediately stops him, stating that adoption creates permanent responsibility.
His father terminated his rights, and you adopted this child.
Well, she can talk to
I'm not about to play this game with you, sir. Mr. Cassidy, we're not doing that today, okay? This is your child. You legally adopted the child, and you can be legally responsible for paying child support as well.
Well, his first dad gave up his rights. How come I can't give up my rights?
Well, you know what? We're not doing that today. Today, you're going to take care of this child, okay?
Okay, what?
And you're not going to give him up because he's a redhead. No.
He don't fit.
He asks to give up his rights, just as the biological father did. But the judge refuses, explaining that legal option closed years ago.
Mr. Cassidy, how much money do you make a year?
Approximately 83.
83,000. And ma'am, now I'm to you. What does this mean, farmer?
I'd rather not go into detail.
Good.
Okay. $83,000 a year. And sir, you said, how many other children do you have?
I have 2.
2, okay. So you have 3 kids
They're
total.
not redheaded either.
Sir, the color of their hair should not affect whether or not you decide to be a father to those children versus your adopted son. You understand?
I understand.
Okay.
He earns $83,000 per year and supports other children, proving he has the financial ability to support this adopted child as well.
Well, as long as you understand. I have your gross. Yes, ma'am.
I've dyed the little boy's hair now, so he.
What color is his hair now, ma'am?
His hair is the same color of his now.
And you all are aware that the color of this child's hair doesn't matter in terms of the financial responsibility, right?
I understand that, but he doesn't, so I'm just trying to make it to where he likes his son.
You know what? It is ridiculous. She even had to dye the child's hair to even make you receive any type of comfort, sir. That's ridiculous. Now, at $83,000 a year, I have your gross at $6,916.67.
Wow. The mother even dyed the child's hair to please him. The judge calls the situation ridiculous and completely unnecessary.
Who carries health insurance for this child?
I do.
How much is it for the child only?
$230 a month.
$230. Okay, sir, you're going to reimburse that to her monthly. Yes, you are. And your net comes out to $5,482.88.
Oh.
Yes. Oh. What? Do we need to call an ambulance? You okay? Oh, okay.
Yeah, so, maybe an ambulance might help me.
Okay. Well, right now I'm getting ready to help you with these numbers, okay?
Insurance costs are added, creating reimbursement responsibility and increasing his total financial obligation.
Giving you credit for the other children that you have. Your child support obligation is $808.72 plus the health insurance reimbursement of $230 a month. That makes your monthly obligation $1,038.72.
Okay, that's gonna.
Okay, and you can afford it. It's $83. You make $83,000, sir.
Well, there's a lot of overhead for farming.
Well, you know what? Dye your hair red.
Well, that's not going to help me pay my bills. That's not going to help me feed my cattle.
Well, you know what? You might want to choose some different alternatives.
Support now exceeds $1,000 per month, and he reacts in disbelief. The judge points to his steady income, explaining that financial ability determines responsibility, not his personal comfort.
Well, you got to eat. That's what. Where do you think your food comes from?
You grow my food?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And I pay for it from you, right?
Well, yeah.
Okay. Well, guess what? You're going to continue to grow your food, and you're going to take care of this child, who's now the hair is dyed because you had a problem with the color of the child's hair. Ridiculous.
The judge firmly reminds him that food, clothing, and care all require money, and parental responsibility never disappears simply because emotions or personal feelings change over time.
Is there anything further here?
Yes. The last year that he hasn't paid, can he pay the back pay as well?
You know what? That is a great question. Are you asking for back pay today, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, unfortunately, you did not put that in your paperwork that you filed with the court requesting that. So unfortunately, if you did not ask previously, I can't award it to you.
Okay.
The mother asks about unpaid support from previous months, but the judge explains that the legal paperwork did not request back pay earlier. So procedure prevents awarding those past funds today.
So, monthly obligation. Listen.
Judge, there's another option.
Don't need all of that.
If he wants to come back and remarry me, we can do that. Then he won't have to worry about child support.
Well, I mean, that's an option.
I'm going back to my ex-wife.
That's an option.
I've got my other wife and kids. They're coming back. We're back together.
I just thought as long as he was going back and forth, you know.
Oh, well, I'm glad to see you.
No going back.
She jokingly suggests remarriage as a solution, but the judge quickly redirects the discussion, explaining that the courtroom handles legal obligations, not relationship counseling, and that financial responsibility remains regardless of romantic possibilities.
Well, I'm glad to see that you moved on, and I'm glad to see that you're open to that possibility, but unfortunately, this is not reunification court.
Maybe she should go back to the
memory
clinic and go to work.
Well, guess what? If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Want to give that to your wife? Maybe she'll have you comb your hair.
Get out here.